Markets were fairly subdued overnight and await direction from the US Federal Reserve. The US Federal Reserve meet over the next 2 days and will be deciding on any changes to their current policies. It is not expected that they will make a change of their current rate of an effective rate of 0%. However, the US economy is improving, although remains fairly fragile. The risk is that the Federal Reserve may pull back on some of their other policies, including the $12 trillion that they have pumped into the US economy. This has really helped out with the run recently we have seen for stocks as well as commodities. On the currency front, the New Zealand dollar has weakened just slightly against the US dollar and is trading at 72.20 against the US on Wednesday morning. Tuesday offered us a pretty good insight into the New Zealand government accounts, and things have improved dramatically since the May budget of this year. The Treasury have seen that things have improved quite quickly over the past 6 months. In summary, they see that unemployment will top out at just over 7% in early 2010. Our economy will grow quite quickly and quite strongly over the next few years. Tax revenues will be up as a result. Our budget deficits will be much smaller than previously thought. All this means that our government borrowing will be lower than previously thought, and this is a big positive for us here in New Zealand. Global markets are likely to see that this is a big benefit for us here in New Zealand and that we have a clear exit strategy from our borrowing in terms of our government debt. Other countries do not have this luxury just yet. New Zealand dairy commodity prices have been fairly stable over the past few weeks, and there is some talk that buyers are resisting going to the next level. However, some commentators are suggesting that milk powder prices could get up to $4,000 per tonne next year due to shortages. Production is down globally. Bloomberg News has indicated that US production may fall by up to 8% this year due to herd reductions and lower prices. Production is also down in Australia as well as South America. Production here in New Zealand is likely to be flat for this current season. This does indicate that there could be some increases in prices, but as we know, the market is very volatile at this point in time. We see that there will be a good payout for dairy farmers in this current season, and next season we'll see a late $5 payout.